Pork and plantain. This street food is one of the best in Cameroon. This is affordable. You can buy it for as low as 500 francs and as high as how much you can eat. Now in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make it at home. I am starting from this point because some people might use fresh meat, so I'm going to show you how to go about it. In case your meat is fresh and just like this, you have to start by getting rid of the hair on it because that is not good in one's mouth. You're going to start by burning the hair so that you do not have that hair feel in your mouth. I have a video coming up which will detailedly elaborate on this part, on how to achieve very clean pork meat like this. Now after doing that, you're going to cut your meat into smaller chunks. The quantity you want to use, this is 1 serving, so this is why it is small. So if you're making a lot, then that's okay. Just salt and set aside. Now I'm going to grind some spices. I'll leave them in the description box. This is my secret ingredient, so stay with me. I'll reveal it in the course of this video. Now after grinding, I'm going to add my salted meat to a pot and I'm going to add my spices. Do you see the spices I was grinding? I'm going to add it and give it a good mix. Now this can be spiced up day before and preserved in the fridge, but you can still do it on the day you want to have it. Now you're going to season with some seasoning cubes, some salt, and this is another spices blend. I am going to mix properly and I'll start my cooking process. Mind you, you can add the spices you love. If you have like some pork spices, you can do that. These are all authentic Cameroonian spices. I'm going to add my bush pepper and very little country onion as well. Then bay leaf. This is actually for flavor and I get the reason why this was delicious. I am going to wash and peel my plantain and proceed to salt it. I am using ripe plantain. You can use unripe plantain, but in most cases I tend to see ripe plantain. After salting, you're going to let it sit aside. Now these are the sizes we are going in for. You can actually make dodo slices. Into an empty pan, you're going to add some oil. Let the oil heat up while our pork is going to continue to cook on the other side. Now you can take out the bay leaves at this point because they've served their purpose. Into your hot oil, you're going to fry your plantain. Make sure to fry your plantain on medium so that the inside gets ready because the sizes are quite thick, so make sure to fry until it is dry, not burnt. Now this is what we have. You're going to take it off the fire immediately. Into that same oil, you're going to fry your meat. I only came back when my meat was properly fried because of the oil splashes, and this happened because I took my meat from the cooking pot straight to the oil. Now you can avoid that. This is what I have and I'm going to transfer into my sauce. Do you see this sauce? That is where the taste lies. Forget about every other thing. Focus on the sauce. Now add some oil from the frying pan to this pot and let it simmer on low heat. Some people love theirs immersed in sauce, but I love mine like this. Garnish with some onions and enjoy. Thank you for watching.